What's up guys, Ben's Weather here, and today I'm back with another daily forecast video, giving you all the outcomes and possibilities for that tropical wave that's in the middle of the Atlantic right now, and how it's becoming more likely that it will develop into a tropical depression in the coming days. We'll also be talking about the low pressure system that's off the coast of the Carolinas that can also has a possibility to form in the next 7 days. And if you guys like this video, please hit the like button. And if you guys like my channel, please subscribe. It really makes my day every time someone subscribes. Also, I just got a new mic, so hopefully the sound quality is better. Other than that, let's get into it. So taking a look at the satellite imagery, you see that red blob in the middle of your screen. That is the wave that came off Africa and now has a 80% chance of formation in the next 7 days. You also see in the top left corner off the coast of Delaware, straight out from Delaware, you see that little red blob too. That's another depression or another wave, low pressure system that just came off the coast of the Carolinas, which also has a possibility for development in the coming days. So taking a look at the 7-day graphical tropical weather outlook from the National Weather Service, you see that the major the wave that's coming off Africa that came off Africa. It has a 80% chance of formation in the next 7 days and a 70% chance of formation in the next 48 hours. So this is Invest 96L, and we'll likely see this develop into a tropical depression in the coming days. I wouldn't be. I definitely think it'll be into a tropical depression by this weekend. And then taking a look at this other one, it's a pretty low chance, only 20% chance in the next 48 hours and in the next 7 days. If this was to develop, then it would have to be in the next 1 to 2 days. Because other than that, it's caught in the jet stream, so it's going to get carried away, and then we're never going to see it again. And even if this did form, it won't likely pose a threat to any of the United States or even any other landforms. So taking a look at the newest run of the GFS, you see that storm on the middle of your screen. It's pretty small. It goes up, and then it kind of, you don't even see it almost, because it kind of dissipates and then it forms into a low pressure there. But it almost like, you see that low pressure right there, it almost kind of joins with the one that is off the coast of Delaware. It's like they get caught in the jet stream together and they kind of join into one. But like I said, even if this happens, it won't likely form into anything or major, and it won't likely pose a threat to any land. But let's also take a look at the European model. This is the 00Z run, and it's a little bit more aggressive, but not as aggressive, not that aggressive. So you see that low pressure coming up. You see the other low pressure. It's a little bit closer to land on that one, and then kind of just goes up, and then it gets caught in the jet stream, and then it actually does strengthen to a 988 at the strongest, which is a tropical storm, and then it gets caught in the jet stream and it's gone. So we're gonna have to keep watching this. It's very unlikely it will pose a threat to the United States, but we're gonna have to keep watching the very northern parts of the United States, like Nova Scotia, and we could see some possibly like recurrence in Bermuda. And then yeah, taking a look at the Storm Prediction Center for today for the possibility for severe weather, you see it's only a 1 out of 5 chance. It's for a lot of parts of the United States, but it's only 1 out of 5. Today, I feel like it's just a pretty quiet day. If you could give one day, it's like a typical summer day, I'd say that's today, because it's almost like you just get like that trough going up to the north, and then it ridges down, and then goes into the southeast. And you could just see some thunderstorms and showers in those areas along that jet stream. And then I don't think we'll see any very severe storms, but you can never rule out the possibility of that, and especially in the summer, because these storms would pop up and drop inches of rain sometimes. So taking a look at the HRRR model, you see that storm that's above Texas. You see it kind of That's like that's not jet stream. You see all the storms ride up and then they ride down. That's that trough area. And then this is tomorrow night. This is the 1st of August, tomorrow night. You see some storms popping up there, and those could be severe. Won't likely be severe, but they could bring a lot of they could bring some thunder, possibly some hail, and a lot of rain. The last thing I want to take a look at is the heat wave that's going across America right now. So this is today, and let's go into the hottest part of the day. You see down in Texas 106, widespread 100s all throughout the central U.S., into the southeast 95s, into the northeast 80s, onto the west coast 98, 105, 107. So we're still in this heat wave, but it is going to start cooling down a little bit towards the end of this week, and then we should be down to like the hopefully in the Central America like the 90s, which is still really hot, but it's not 106. So that should cool down by the end of this week. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button. If you like my channel, please subscribe. We're almost at 10 subscribers. Other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.